Hey folks, we get a lot of detailed questions about the days immediately surrounding the coming solar micronova, and we're going to answer them here. But first, if you're saying, what is a micronova? When's it coming? And why are you talking to us like we should know? Then pause this video and check right below the video down there for the disaster cycle link. This has happened many times before. It's going to happen again in the next 20 to 25 years. That link will get you the details, but we're diving deeper into detail here today with this chart. It looks confusing for the moment, but only for the moment. This is a timeline and event plot surrounding the solar micronova. Across the bottom, we go from 4 days before the solar micronova to 3 days after, 1 week. On the left, the vertical, we have the events and things people are asking about. What color is the sun going to be at what time? What will the light, particle energy, and induction be like at various stages? When will it be safe to be outside? When should we go underground? When do we come back up? The micronova event itself is there near the middle in the blue bordered column. Now let's run this all down. Starting across the top, the visible color of the sun, perhaps the most helpful color coding line in terms of telling you when the sun will look which way, but interestingly also the least relevant for our survival. The next 4 down are light, particle, larger pieces, and induction energy impact to the Earth. You can see how they vary based on the different travel times of light, tiny energetic particles versus larger chunks from the sun to the Earth. That one, about half the questions we get on the subject. Now this is informative of when it's most dangerous to be near metal with the induction, or when it's safe to be outside, which is the next line down. Really, the micronova flash itself is the scary part. If a chunk of congealed solar plasma lands on you, it's just bad luck. It's the nova flash that you want to actively avoid. Down another line, the pole shift happens when the nova shell impacts about 18 to 24 hours after the micronova flash, and that lasts about 1 day. When the sun brings changing color is when you go down, that's the next line below, and finally you come back up after the nova hits, when the shaking starts in that 18 to 24 hours later period. That's how you can be sure the flash danger is well over without actually going outside and looking for yourself. The Earth tells you. So I am sorry for answering like 14 of your questions in one video. Maybe you deserve better, but I kind of figured this would be helpful for others who had these questions and just hadn't asked them yet. Feel free to screenshot the chart, by the way. It's open source here. I will see you in the morning for the daily show. Be safe, everyone.